how to hide followers and following on TikTok in just a few easy steps. Launch TikTok on your smartphone and log into your account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Safety to access privacy options. Toggle on the Private Account option. This setting ensures that only users you approve can see your content, followers, and following lists. For additional privacy, find the option labeled Following List. Change this setting to Only Me so that no one else can view who you follow. If you want to hide your profile from specific users, you can block them by visiting their profile, tapping the three dots, and selecting Block. By following these steps, you can effectively manage who sees your followers and following lists on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.